Hi guys, welcome back to Educatory. Now we are going to kick off a new tutorial series. As introduction, I am saying immense pressure and thanks to support for previous tutorials and asking your subscription if you are not subscribed yet. I believe you have a short idea about what is starting today. Yeah, it is Go language. Go is an open source programming language that makes it easy to build simple, reliable and efficient software. And Go is developed by Google. Why Go? We can look to these graphs. Graph A is efficient concurrency and straight code graph. Look the portion of Go which is colored green. Go is one of the best language for efficient concurrency and Go almost structure like C programming. So it is very easy to start and very straight coding language. When we take the graph B, it is the graph of fast for human and fast for computer. Look, where is the green market? Go has a better portion also for graph B. From these graphs, we can clearly say Go is one of the best language and Go has a good future. Okay, now I am entering to show how we start with Go. Okay, let's go. Go.dev is the website of Go language. Here we have many information like docs and libraries. From the banner, see this build fast, reliable and efficient software scale. Here a download button for downloading Go. Anyway, we are going to now here listed some of the biggest enterprises which are using Go language, such as Google, PayPal, Facebook, Netflix, Twitter and so on. And going down here, look, we have an IDE for trying Go language. We can write small programs and can run. Go provided a button for run. If we are click this program will execute and output will print. And also a facility to share the code to others. We have a share button and here available the URL. This URL is shareable to others. It is very helpful to share our logic and codes. Now we are going to downloading the Go language. Here we can download for Windows, Linux and Mac OS. I am using Windows system, that is why I am downloading Windows version. And also I am using VS Code for ID. I am already installed both. If you are a beginner, you should install the downloaded Go on any ID. Okay, then we have to kick off the coding. So I just opened VS Code and took a new file, and we have to add some Go codes here for testing. So in this video, I am doing a hello world program. I am trying to copy the code which is given in our go.dev site. I just did a copy paste. Then we have to save this file with extension .go. I am just saving the file in my desktop with the name helloworld.go. Now at that time of execution of our first program in Go language, and I just open the terminal and change the directory to desktop with the cd command. My codes are saved in desktop, that is why I changed the directory location into, basically change your directory location into where is your code is saved. Then type the command go run hello world.go and press enter. Command is go run, then what is your file name with extension, then enter. Yeah, you can see our code is worked and printed hello world without any bugs. So this is the basic of starting, how is the starting Go language programming. I hope you have get it. I will be coming soon with more advanced coding of Go language. So please subscribe and stay tuned. Happy coding.